From the outset, mankind's efforts to interact with space have been met with nearly insurmountable odds. Yet from Sputnik orbiting Earth, to the Apollo 11 moon landing, to our continued use of the ISS and SpaceX's reusable rockets, mankind has continually risen to achieve the seemingly impossible. Enter our newest challenge, the Kessler Syndrome, otherwise known as cascading collisions. According to NASA, orbital debris is the #1 threat to all spacecrafts, satellites, and astronauts. Collisions with orbital debris can pit or damage a spacecraft in the best-case scenario, or cause catastrophic damage and death in the worst. Averaging speeds of 10 kilometers per second or 22,000 miles per hour, a 1-centimeter paint fleck is capable of inflicting the same damage as a 550-pound object moving at 60 miles per hour here on Earth. The problem is clear, but the solutions haven't been, until now. We are creating the world's most comprehensive space object and tracking catalog ever assembled, eliminating variances in the process while making participation cost-effective for commercial operators and improving tracking accuracy for all, thus encouraging standardization internationally. Our platform will remove the previous barriers to collaboration between multiple agencies and countries while simultaneously providing some of the absolute highest levels of data security, privacy, and traceability. We are Space Interactions. Together we can achieve one world in one space for all mankind. To learn more, please visit interactions.space.